Hi everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting spreading video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to have success with hanging baskets. So let's jump right into this video. So Ultimate Gardeners, as you guys know, hanging baskets is technically a basket with the cocoa coir liner here. But a few things you want to learn or get to come of knowledge to is that when you plant things in hanging baskets, you're gonna have to know that they do require maintenance. Because as you guys see, this is not a water sealed container. The water does tend to go through hanging baskets very easily. So you want to make sure you select plants that are able to withstand some drought period of time. So all the plants I have here are heat and drought tolerant, which is amazing, which is best for the at-home gardener who doesn't have the entire time of the world to focus on their plants. So drought tolerant plants is something you would like to lean more towards. But if you want to get any other type of annual, you can, but once again, it's gonna take a little bit more maintenance. So I have a few plants here as a selection of what I could use. I have a daylily, salvia, zinnias, I have some sedum, and I have a new plant here that I haven't tried out before, which is the Gerbera daisy. Beautiful colors. And so as you can tell, this is gonna be my centerpiece, and of course I'm gonna use some of this and all of these, so I can't wait to see how it comes out. You're also gonna need some type of slow release fertilizer, because with hanging baskets, you want to fertilize them with the slow release fertilizer. I would recommend granule, not liquid, because once again, the liquid tends to go through very fast. So granule works best. So let me clear up this table and let's talk about the planting wise. So Ultimate Gardeners, I already laid out my design. I'm gonna be putting the daylily as my centerpiece. I'm gonna put the salvia in the corner. I have two hanging elements, which is this zinnia and this sedum, and I'm gonna use one of the Gerbera daisies as another side shoot right here, which is gonna be perfect, and I can reuse the other two in the garden in another spot. So let me go ahead and move all of this, and let me talk to you guys about filling this up and how you should plant this out, because this seems to be, it's the perfect size for this container. So if I don't really want to waste so much time about planting wise, but you do want to mix your soil, your slow release fertilizer into your soil pre-hand, so you can already have some fertilizer going to your plants. So let me actually put this in fast forward motion, and then we'll talk about the things you need to learn about taking care of a hanging basket. So Ultimate Gardeners, the container or the hanging basket is done. Once again, the plants I used was a trailing pink zinnia, a orange Gerbera daisy, a light green sedum, which other people know it as lemon coral sedum, a regular standard salvia, and the burgundy daylily as my centerpiece. All of these combine and they contrast, and their colors contrast so well. I can't wait to put this out in the garden. A few things you want to know is fertilizing is very, very, like required for a hanging basket, because they need their nutrients. They need, because in the ground, there's earthworms and such not, but in hanging baskets, you need to give them the food they need. So the fertilizer I use lasts up to 3 months, but I'm gonna be giving them every 2 months, granule fertilizer. All these plants require full sun, but I'm gonna be hanging up on the mango tree where it is dappled sunlight, because it is way too hot, especially when they are in a hanging basket. Water every day. These hanging baskets tend to dry out very easily, so make sure they get a good deep watering every day if you can, especially if you live in a hot climate like I do. So that's gonna be it for this exciting spreading video, you guys. Once again, I talked to you guys about how to be successful when it comes to hanging baskets. Hopefully you guys find this video very informative and educational. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.